In today's episode, we are going to prepare chopped detox salad. In today's episode, we are going to make chopped detox salad. It's very quick and easy. And here I have gathered all the ingredients. Alright friends, so here I have most of the ingredients that I'm going to use for my chopped detox salad. Cabbage, cauliflower, celery, carrot, broccoli, onion, cilantro, spinach, and for dressing I'm going to use lime, orange, and some other ingredients that I'll be showing you in just a bit. But look at all these ingredients, very low in carb, and most of it actually. I know carrot has like a more carb, but great for detox purpose. You can add omit vegetables as per your preference. Instead of spinach, any greens like kale, chard, any of your favorite greens can be used here. And of course, serrano hiding here. Now you may think serrano in detox salad, but I am kind of a person who likes everything spicy. So if you are like me, just go ahead and add serrano or jalapeno or any of your favorite chili. Instead of raisin, cranberries can be used. So I'm actually going to use both today, but it's totally up to you. And then here I have some toppings. You can use some favorite nut of your choice. And here I have ground sunflower seeds, salt and pepper to use in my dressing, orange, lime, vinegar. This apple cider vinegar with ginger and honey has like very intense ginger flavor in it, and so I absolutely love to use in my salads. But you can also drink just like as it is with water, dilute in water, so however you want to consume for detoxing your body. So here I got all the ingredients for dressing and topping. Quickly, I'm going to wash all the vegetables, and I'm just going to prepare this salad just for one serving, one single person, but you can double, triple easily. Alright, so here I have washed all the ingredients. I'm using the vegetables that can be easily eaten raw, and so it makes easier to eat. And once we chop all these vegetables, it will get even easier to eat. So I'm just going to use my food processor. You can of course chop with your hands if you are good at chopping, but I'm just going to go ahead and use my chopper, mini chopper here. So I'm just going to roughly chop and throw into the blender. So this is onion. Here I have cabbage. So just chop everything roughly. The rest chopper is going to do for us. Broccoli, just break the florets. Here I have celery. Use knife or with your hand, you can just break them apart like so. Then I have cilantro, coriander leaves, also known as. Here I have my serrano. So I'm going to use just half of it since I'm making it just for one person. Got carrot here. So slice it and add in. Here I have cauliflower. Just break or cut. So how easy it is, right? And chop. Don't forget spinach, but I don't think I can fit in anymore here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take out cauliflower just in case I don't want to crowd too much in here, and blend. And look at this, how fine it is. I'm going to take out into the same bowl. So let's put the cauliflower on the side. Oh, I smell so amazing here. Celery. I love the flavor of celery in anything and everything. So let's take out into the bowl onion, cabbage. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing here. Alright, so now the remaining ingredients, cauliflower, and I'm thinking of just chopping the spinach, or maybe let's just try. I normally prefer to chop my spinach. Oh wow, amazing. It does its job really well. Alright, so we have all the vegetables ready. I can just eat it, you know, as it is, because there is like serrano in it, celery. Those are two of my favorite ingredients, and this salad would not even require much of the seasoning or dressing or whatever, but we are going to dress it up and we are going to season as well. Let's give it a mix. I am already loving all the colors here, and imagine when we add raisin, cranberries, everything in here, it's going to be amazing. Alright, so now I'm going to prepare the dressing. So let's put this on a side, and I'm going to prepare dressing in a separate bowl because I usually prefer to mix dressing with salad before eating. So I just prepare ahead of time and then refrigerate everything, and then when ready, just mix everything. So the first thing I'm going to add is vinegar, apple cider vinegar, lime juice, lime, lemon, orange. Those are also very good for detoxing, so be sure to add those ingredients. And I'm going to use half of the orange, or maybe a little less than half. No seeds, so just squeeze in. Now it smells divine here actually. Amazing. Next, add salt and pepper. So this is my simple dressing. Just mix it, keep it on the side, and let's go ahead and add raisins and cranberries into the salad. I am actually ready to eat, so I'm going to drizzle dressing on the top, then mix it and eat. I'm already hungry, so be sure to munch on this salad for about 15 minutes. At least take some of your time to chew properly, and also a little bit of a crunch. So sunflower seeds, or as I mentioned, any kind of nuts. So I'm going to use a little bit of pistachio as well. That's it. And look at this yummy looking chopped detox salad. So as you saw, salad can be prepared with very less effort, and don't use fork, take spoon to munch on this salad. And besides preparing food and working out, a few more tips I would like to share here is that stay happy. That's another key to go through this whole process of detoxing your body or staying fit, and so that's part of life. So just don't forget to stay happy, don't forget to smile, don't forget to take enough sleep, enough rest, and so I am ready to dig into the salad. This is must-try salad. I'm sure you will absolutely fall in love with it. You can keep all the chopped vegetables into the refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 days, and sometimes even a week, depending on what type of vegetables you are using. But definitely for 2 to 3 days they can stay into the refrigerator really well. But be sure not to add dressing or the seasoning or anything that you are adding, just vegetables, just chopped vegetables only. can be refrigerated for up to 3 to 4 days. And if you want to use this detox salad as your meal, you can boil any of your favorite grains like quinoa, oat. You can cook oat and mix with this salad. So there you have your lunch or light dinner. So there are several ways you can come up with to have this chopped detox salad. I hope you enjoyed watching this video making of chopped detox salad. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Pinnaris Pavana's Kitchen is everywhere. You can download Pavana's Kitchen app totally free on your iOS, Android and many other mobile devices. You can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire or YouTube app itself. Thanks for watching and see you soon.